Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm bringing you another bad drivers video from Colorado. You're probably wondering, what is he doing? Obviously, I'm hung out in the intersection. It was one of those. The President Trump was visiting the Air Force Academy. We all had to take the side road. So traffic is nuts, and it came to a stop abruptly, and I ended up out here. But that's not why I hit record, to show me being stuck somewhat in the intersection, which sucks, that feeling. Look at that caddy to the right. What is he doing? He's not moving. Watch the white car. Here it comes. Oh, yeah, he's going to move up to say, go. What are you doing? No one honked. I was actually very shocked. Nobody honked. I would have probably honked at that point. He just sits there. Look how long it's going. I have this whole rant going, and they're still not. They're moving now. Wow, people. It's nuts. And you can see I hit the record button because I'm laughing. And as you can see near the end here, there was plenty of room for the left turn lane to turn behind me. So we were good to go, but that's a bad feeling. Now you might think, am I recording this because, or saving this file because of this car going so slow within the group of stores? No, that's not why. I was wondering what they were doing, but that wasn't why I hit save. This is why I hit save, coming right up. No turn signal, just goes to the right. Either you're going straight or you're turning to the right. Why would that be so hard to know where you're going? I don't get how people mess that up and have to rethink things. Here I am on I-25 enjoying, I think heading south. And here comes this F-150, flies by on the right. No, I'm going 75 because I'm usually going 75, 80, so I can assure you I'm going the speed limit. And they're surprised. They slam on the brakes. Why would you be surprised? That's the slow lane. And then they squeeze in, making that guy hit his brakes. Yes, there's a vehicle in the slow lane. What a big surprise. And it's an RV. You could see that a mile away. You can't on the camera, but you could with your own eyes. Wow, people. Wow. Is this person drunk in this big old car in front of me? They go to the left. They go to the right. I'm like, I have to hit save. Oh, they go over the line. What are they doing? You know, I'm staying back. Even that Tesla on my left is staying back. Look, they come over to the right, but this black car, for whatever reason, just sees that occur, and they come up alongside of that big old car, and they just cruise there. Why would you do that? That person's all over their lane. Look at that. They're starting to go over right again. It makes you wonder if the person in the black car is even paying attention. But he does know, I think it's a he, that I'm there because they turn on their blinker. They do get over, but look at this. They swoop right on across. Meantime, the big car is still hugging the right there. Oh, no. Now we're going to go back over to the left side because maybe the left side's better. No, it's the same on this stretch. They're not avoiding potholes or anything. Well, now they finally get over to the right. That took a lot of work. You know, sometimes it's a joy just to be on a nice curvy road until you get somebody that can't stay in their lane. It seemed like they just woke up, but not quite. Look at that. They're still waking up, I guess. And there is a rumble strip, so it will let you know. Well, this Jeep and I caught up to this truck. Truck's going slow in the fast lane. Okay, we'll get over. But watch this Jeep. Can't decide what lane. Which lane? You want the right lane, the middle lane? Which lane do you want? I don't know. They don't know. Oh, I think this happened in Missouri, I do believe. That truck pulled out. You know, it's not really a big deal. I figured I'd just bring it to you because, I mean, when they're going that slow after they pull out, they take a lot of room pulling out, and then they just go so slow. You know, it's like, come on now. Watch that car way up in my lane. They're testing out the shoulder there. I guess the rumble strips somewhat worked, but they didn't jerk back. They just kind of slowly came back. And that doesn't mean there's a lane ending. It turned out that just meant the turn lane is not there, shoulder's not there. Oh yeah, this semi, unfortunately, didn't catch me already backing off. And look, he just comes on over. I mean, that's kind of stupid, but get this. They go immediately back to the right. And the car that was in front got over and left. So maybe he thought he was going to pass that car. I don't know. I had just passed the semi once. There's crazy drivers out there, I tell you. Oh, yeah, this is a good one. This happened on my way back from my trip to Tennessee back to Colorado. This happened in Kansas, taking I-70. Yeah, turning on here, nothing spectacular at this point. I always dread being behind somebody when I turn onto an on-ramp because you never know what they're going to do. And this is one reason why I say that. Oh, let's hit our brakes. I'm accelerating to get on. Let's hit our brakes. Let's hit our brakes. Oh, let's hit our brakes more. Are we going to get on? Note that truck in the far fast lane was the only vehicle. So I swooped over because I checked back. I was like laughing. What is that person doing? It turned out it looked like it was like an 80, 90-year-old driving, probably on their last days, probably dead already. Oh, I had to include this because whenever you're on a trip, you get the famous racing semis up a slight gradual grade. You know, they're not going much faster than each other, but they just insist on being in the fast lane. I wish in the U.S. we would be somewhat like other countries where trucks are not allowed in the fast lane. The fast lane / passing lane should only be for vehicles. Smaller vehicles, not for large semis. Semis should have to stay to the right at all times. Unfortunately, they don't. They just don't, and I'm not cutting down the professional truck driver. I realize sometimes maybe it's the gear or whatever, but, maybe you just have to deal with that and stay in the slow lane. You guys usually end up playing leapfrog. One passes, then the other guy passes, and then you pass again. It's crazy. So, it takes forever for them to get around. That's why I included this. So I'm behind this van coming out of McDonald's here in Monument, Colorado. Nothing big deal there, but it's going to come. They get all the way to the left. I need to go left. I'm in the right-left lane. Oh, it's going to change. I want to stop. Whoa, they're just going to go for it and run a red light. Why not? Why not just run it? Who cares? Here I come. Coming up. Oh, that van clearly ran a red light. Did not even care. Didn't even speed up. And then we got the black SUV on the right. Doesn't even turn on a blinker. Just cuts in front of the Mustang. Mustang hits their brakes. And hits him again, probably just to back up from that guy from cutting over. It's crazy. And then this happened today. Got this young high school girl she looked like in this nice newer car. What is she? Is she sleeping? Oh, no, there she woke up. She's going to go. I didn't honk or anything at this point. I was like just shaking my head like, come on now. So she makes the corner. Doesn't really accelerate. I'm like, what's going on? She's pacing that white car. Oh, no. What are we doing now? She kind of speeds up. Oh, wait, we're going to hit the brakes. So now I lay on the horn because you're coming to a stop in the middle of a road. What are you doing? So I lay on the horn again. Look at this. She flicks me off. People are crazy.